In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Miro. It's actually a pretty straightforward process once you know where to go and what to click. Whether you've forgotten your current password or just want to update it for security reasons, this guide will help you do just that in a few easy steps. Let's start by opening your internet browser and navigating to Miro.com. Miro is a collaborative online whiteboarding platform that helps teams work together and brainstorm effectively no matter where they are in the world. Once you are on the website, take a look at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that to be directed to the login page. Now, if you can't remember your password or simply want to change it, you'll want to look for the forgot password link here on the login page. Click on this link, which will guide you to a page where you can begin the process of recovering your account and setting a new password. Once you're on the password recovery page, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Miro account. It's important to make sure you're using the correct email so you can receive the password reset link. Double check your spelling to avoid any mistakes that could delay this process. After entering your email, click on the continue button. This action sends a password reset email to the address you provided. Now, it's time to check your email inbox. Locate the email from Miro. If it's not in your main inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folders just in case it ended up there. Inside this email, you'll find a button or a link labeled reset password. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can create a new password. It's a good idea to choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but also incorporates a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your new password, there will be a continue button on this page. Go ahead and click it. After doing so, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been changed successfully. And there you have it, a fresh start with a new password. You're now all set and you can go back to Miro and log in with your updated credentials. Remember, it's a good habit to change your passwords regularly and to use unique passwords for different accounts to keep your information secure. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.